Hello, I'm Andrea from BubbleRAN at MWC 2025, and this is one of our 5 demos about SLM-driven RAN intelligence. So in this demo we show the functioning of a chatbot powered by an SLM trained together with Khalifa University. So this chatbot is able to answer questions about 3GPP or RAN specification, but also about real-time network deployment, which we can see on the other screen. So here we deploy an end-to-end 5G network with the core network, access network, and AUE. So for example, I can try to ask what is the core network configuration in the deployed network. Okay, and while we wait for the answer, I can show you that we can also query the chatbot from WhatsApp with this QR code.
Yes, so here we have the WhatsApp ready, and I will ask a different question. What is the TDD configuration of the access network deployed? And we will wait, the answer will come here. Yes. So already in the chatbot we have the first answer. So the core network configuration is deployed. It is a 5G standalone network with minimal model, and it gives a brief overview of the network. And
yeah, the answer is correct. We can verify it in here. We have the network description. This is the network that we have deployed in our Kubernetes cluster, and you can see here core network. Here we have OI core network minimal, so minimal deployment, and the stack is 5G standalone.
And the reasoning also we have here in the chatbot. Since this model is distilled from R1 DeepSeek to a Qwen 70 billion quantized, very small model, it can also provide the reasoning of the model to give this answer for more explainability, the chain of thought of the model. And here in the WhatsApp we already have our answer for the TDD question. So the TDD configuration of the access network is downlink slot duration 6 milliseconds, uplink slot duration 4 milliseconds. So it gives also a few information for the TDD config.
Yes, which is again correct. It takes it from this part of the configuration. And how this works is explained in this figure. So here you can see the network deployment that we saw before on the other screen. And from this network, we extract all the configuration files, we put them in a database, in a vector database, and we build a RAG system, which we use to retrieve the most relevant documents based on the query which comes from the user. And then we feed to the SLM both the query and the most relevant documents, and the SLM generates the answer based on this. And in the future, we are going to also extend this model to support action tools to, for example, deploy XApps, RApps, or enforce policies in the network. So that was all. Thank you.
Thank you very much.